Are you dreaming of an updated and sophisticated home in a convenient and peaceful location? Well, we've got a property to show you today. I'm Theresa Wellman with Homeowner Experience Real Estate, and today I'm standing in Willow Glen of San Jose, just a quarter mile from the downtown Willow Glen Main Street area. What an amazing, convenient location with a fun vibe and very relaxing atmosphere. There is a community pool, plenty of green space, and trees throughout. The home we are touring today has been meticulously updated by its owner, with over $275,000 invested that you can enjoy. And yes, this project was fully permitted and HOA approved. Some of the quality materials you can see in this property are a Bosch dishwasher, Toto toilets, and a Rawburn vanity mirror. Two notable features that this townhome has and you won't find anywhere else in the community is first, a major wall was removed here to open up this living and kitchen space. Second, goodbye baseboard heaters. We now have a ducted heat pump system with heating and cooling. Upstairs, enjoy a custom built-in office as well as built-in closets and storage cabinets. There are so many more features about this property that you must see. So if you'd like a private tour to come see for yourself, please reach out at the number below. I'm Theresa Wellman with Homeowner Experience Real Estate. Thank you so much for joining me on the tour today.